If you've ever listened to music that seems to swirl around your head, immersing you in a sound that feels alive and moving, then you've experienced 8D audio. Today, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to create that hypnotic 8D effect using CapCut on your PC. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to impress your friends, or just yourself, with audio mixes that sound like they're floating and spinning in space, all from the comfort of your desktop. Let's jump in. First, open CapCut and import the audio clip you want to work with. All you need to do is drag your track onto the timeline. This is your foundation. Think of it like setting up your canvas before you start painting. Make sure your audio clip is selected, since we'll be making changes directly to this part. With your audio selected on the timeline, look up to the top right panel and click into the Audio tab. This is where you'll find the controls for shaping your sound. Scroll down until you reach the Basic section. Here, you'll see sliders labeled Volume and Balance. These two sliders are the key tools we'll use to create that swirling sensation. Now, let's add keyframes to the Balance control, which essentially controls whether your sound is coming from the left, right, or center. Move your playhead. This is the vertical line that marks your current position in the track to the exact spot where you want your 8D audio effect to begin. Take your time placing the playhead, because a well-timed effect sounds much more natural. When you're ready, click the small diamond icon next to the balance slider. This adds your first keyframe, and you'll want to leave it set at 0, which means the sound is dead center. Creating the animation is where the magic happens. Move your playhead forward by a second or two. Enough for the listener to feel the shift, but not so much that it feels abrupt. Change the balance value to 100. That's full left. CapCut will automatically add a keyframe here, saving that setting. Go forward again by another second or so, and set the balance to 100, which sends it fully to the right. You'll start to see those diamond-shaped keyframes pop up along your timeline. Just keep repeating this process, alternating the balance from left to right. The distance between each keyframe controls how fast or slow the sound spins around. So if you want a leisurely drift, spread them out. For a faster spin, put the keyframes closer together. Take a moment here to experiment. There are no wrong answers, and you can always adjust later. If you want your 8D effect to really pop, I recommend also animating the volume slider. This step is optional, but it can make your effect much more realistic. Think about what happens when something, like a car or a person, passes by you. It gets quieter as it moves away. To simulate this, add keyframes to the volume slider when your audio is at its far left or right positions, and lower the volume by about 3 to 5 decibels. It's a subtle touch, but it gives your effect a sense of movement and space that can make your track feel truly immersive. Before wrapping up, preview your effect with headphones on. This is super important. Even a tiny adjustment in timing or volume can make a big difference in how the final result feels. If something sounds off, just nudge your keyframes until everything flows smoothly. Don't worry if it takes a few tries. 8D audio is all about finding that perfect, hypnotic movement. Once you're happy with your sound, it's time to export your video. CapCut makes exporting straightforward. Just choose your settings and let it render. Now you're ready to share your spinning, swirling masterpiece wherever you like. If you found the tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. And feel free to ask any questions in the comments below. I'm happy to help troubleshoot or clarify any steps. For more easy-to-follow tutorials like this one, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.